Jai Hind, dear students. I hope so you have learned how to find the least number that must be added so as to get a perfect square number. In this video, we are going to find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 to get a perfect square. Right? So, all the steps that we have learned will be same. If you haven't gone through that video, I would suggest please learn how to find, then this part will be easier for you. Right? Now let's begin. First of all, we are going to find, is 5607 a perfect square or not? For that, we are going to use one method. Yes, we are going to use division method to find either 5607 is a perfect square or not. So let's start. We are going to make pair now. Right? Now we have to find a number whose square should be less than or equal to 56. Right? Now we have to find out the square number. If we will take 6, so 6 square is 36, which is so less. Now let us take 7. As you all know, 7 square is 49 and it is near about. 8 square is 64, which is larger. So that's why we are going to take 7 square. So 7 we are going to write here and here, two places, don't forget it. Okay, now we will subtract 49 from 56 and in result we will get 7, and then we will write out this next pair, that is 07. So our next dividend is 707. And to find our new divisor, we have to twice the old divisor. So 7 plus 7 or 7 into 2 gives you 14. Now we have to find this unit digit, so that if we will write any number over here, so that 1 4 and whatever number multiply by that number, it should be less than or equal to 707. Right? So let us take 144 multiply by 4 only, and we have to check that the result of this multiplication is equal to 707 or less than 707. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16. We will write 6, carry over 1. Again 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1 is 17. And last 4 times 4 is 4 and plus 1 is 5. So result is 576, which is so less than 707. Now let us see what happens if I take 145 into 5. Right? So 5 times 5 is 25. So we'll write 5, carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2 gives you 22. 2 again carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 gives you 7, which is greater than 707. It means that we have to take 4 as our unit digit. Clear? So we will write 4 over here, two places, remember, and 4 over here. Now we will subtract 576 as we got the multiple, right? Now we are going to subtract. 7 minus 6 gives you 1. 10 minus 7 gives you 3. And rest is 1. Clear? Now 131 is your remainder. Now one very interesting thing to understand, that we have got 131 as our remainder. Right? If 5607 was a square number, we we wouldn't have got this remainder over here. So now what we need to do? Suppose if we got 576 over here, then remainder as 0, and then we will say that yes, our number is a perfect square. So what we are going to do, we will subtract this 131 from our number, that is 5607, and if we will subtract that, we will get 6 this side. 10 minus 3 will gives you 7, 5 minus 1 will gives you 4, and then 5. So 5476 is the number which is a perfect square. Why? Because the remainder we have subtracted from 5607. So this is the thing what we essentially need to do. Now we are going to find square root of 5476. So what is the square root of this? Is 74 only. Whatever quotient we got, that is our square root. As in remainder we got 131 and we have subtracted from 5607. So the quotient whatever we have got was our square root. Or we can say that 74 square is 5476 only. I hope so you have understood this concept. We will explore more in our next videos. Try to practice this question by yourself too. Till then, take care and thank you.